Dear students, we are in JEE Mathematics and we are in the chapter of circles. Let us see, today we will do 4 questions and tomorrow onwards we will do 2020, 21, 22, 23 like questions. Okay? We have come to the end of this chapter approximately. Within 2 more days we require. This is asked in 2020. See, if the angle of intersection at a point where the two circles with radii 5 cm and 12 cm intersects is 90 degree, then the length of their common chord is how much? Answer should come 120/3, 13. See here, drawing figure is very important and we have to infer that figure also properly. Okay, see 5 cm and 12 cm radius circles means naturally 12 cm radius circle is bigger. Okay, even though we will not draw that much exactly. See what I want to say. Say this is 5 cm circle, one circle. Another circle I am taking 12 cm and common tangent is there. What is common tangent? This is common tangent. Okay, say P and Q is your common tangent. Have they given? Angle of intersection of the point where the two circles with radii. See, this is radius, this is center. C1, C2. Okay, and I am drawing like this. See, C to P, P to C1. Okay, both are there. But here, what is this 90 degree? This 90 degree is this one. Perpendicular. Okay, and this you can take any C1, C2, PQ, R. You take R. Okay, why? Because already PQ have taken. C1, C2 are centers and R. Okay, now what I want to say, angle of intersection, this is 90 degrees. Okay, where two circles with radii 5 cm. That means this is 5 cm of radius. This is also 12 cm of radius. Okay. This is 90 degree means can we find C1, C2? Definitely we can find. Okay, let us wait. Then the length of their common chord. See, they are asking PQ. P to Q. What we do? P to R we will find and we will multiply with 2. Okay, PR is equal to R cube. Understand? If you are able to find PR, then automatically 2 times if you multiply, PQ will come. That is going to be your common tangent. Okay, this point is to this point is to 90 degrees. That's all. Okay, now see, first of all, find C1, C2. C1, C2. C1, C2 whole square is equal to, okay, this is hypotenuse. 12 square plus 5 square. That is equal to 169. That means see, C1, C2 will be 13. Understand the logic? That means C1 to C2 will be 13. But see, this is not exactly midpoint because this radius is different, this radius is different. That is why C1R and C2R are both different. Okay? But vertically, PR and RQ are same. Okay, because common tangent. Now, how to find this PQ? Common tangent length. PR, if you are able to find, you can multiply. But how you are going to find PR? PR shall I take X or Y or whatever it may be? Actually, this is vertical axis. Shall I take Y? PR I am taking as Y. Again I am writing here. PR is equal to Y. Okay, why? Because vertical it is there. And C1R, C2R2, I am not taking anything. Okay. Or else I will take this X1. C1R is equal to X1 I will take. This I will take as X2. X1, X2. Okay. Again I am writing here. See, C1R is equal to X1, comma, C2R. See, R2 or C2R both. Okay. Both are same. That is equal to X2. Like that I am taking. Now see, we are able to find. That means see here x1 plus x2 is equal to 13. x1 plus x2 is equal to 13. Okay, this we know very well. Okay, now see what I want to say. We want to find y. How we are going to find x separately? See this formula I am writing. See, x1 square is equal to 5 square minus y square. Is it okay? Why? Because this is hypotenuse bigger. X1 square is equal to see x1 square plus y square is equal to 5 square. Okay? Or else x1 square is equal to 5 square minus 5 square. Okay? This is one thing. And what about x2 square? X2 square. Why? Because see both are 90 degree. What we can say? Right angle triangle. x2 square. x2 square is equal to 12 square minus y square. Do you accept? Definitely. Okay. Now x1 square separately not a problem, but x1 plus x2 whole square we are having. Okay. x1 plus x2 whole square we are having. Okay. Or else, shall I write like this? You see, x1 square plus x2 square. Or else, I will take like this. x1 is equal to 25 minus y square under root, comma, x2 is equal to 144 minus y square under root. Okay, here square, here not square, that is why we have applied root. Why? Because x1 plus x2 is equal to 13. Implies, now you write that one. That means, you see, 25 minus y square under root plus 144 minus y square under root is equal to 13. Okay, now we are only one variable, we are able to find this y. If you are able to find y, 2y will be your answer. That's all. Let us try to solve this. See, 144, I will keep this side only. 144 minus y square under root is equal to 13 minus this one. 25 minus y square under root. Okay, see, naturally what we do, we will square. We will square on both sides. If I square on both sides, this root is going to disappear. 144 minus y square this side, LHS, but RHS is a minus b whole square, a square, 169 plus b square, 25 minus y square. Okay, anyway outside plus is there, you need not keep this parenthesis also. A square plus b square minus 2ab, minus 2 into 13, 26, 25 minus y square. See here, advantage is minus y square if you cancel, we are having only one y square, you can find this y square here. You see how I am going to find. Minus 26 I am sending this side. 26 into 25 minus y square it will be. Okay? If I send this side. See here 169 plus 25 is there. See what will happen, 169 minus 144 itself is 25 plus 25, 50. Okay? Okay, now what about 25 minus y square under root? 50 by 26. Okay? That means see 25 by 13. Okay, now I will square both sides. If I square both sides, this side 25 minus y square it will be. But this side 25 into 25 by 13 into 13. See, I have written like this. Don't make 169 625. Now y square, if you are able to find automatically, 2y will be your answer. Let us find y square. That means see, y square is equal to 25 minus 25 into 25 by 13 into 13. Understand? Okay? Let us proceed. That means see, y square is equal to see 13 into 25 into 13. Why? Because see 13 into 13 into 25 minus 25 into 25 by 13 into 13. That is equal to. See what I am doing. Anyway, this is common denominator, but numerator also 25 I am taking common. That means see 25 by 13 into 13. If I take common, here 25 or 13 into 13. Here 25 if I take common, 13 into 13 will be there. Minus. Here 125 gone, 125 will be there. Again we know 169 minus 25, 144. 25 into 144 by 13 into 13. That is equal to. See, this is y square. What about y? 5 root, 25 root is 5, 144 is 12, 13 into 13 root is 13. That means total 5s are 16 by 13. This will be your answer. See, this is y. But you require 2y. 2y is equal to 60 by 13 into 2. That is equal to 120 by 13. Okay, this will be your answer. Okay, let us go for next question.